Your digital products are ready, and now it's time to find them a home online. Let's get your Payhip account set up in just a few minutes. Head over to Payhip.com. You'll land on their homepage, and right at the top, you'll see a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that to begin. Payhip will ask for your email address and a strong password. Make sure you use an email you check regularly, as this is how you'll receive orders and important updates. Before you create your account, you'll need to agree to Payhip's terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these, then check the box to confirm you agree. Now click the button to create your account. Payhip will instantly process your information and welcome you to your brand new dashboard. The first thing you should do is complete your profile. Look for a setup prompt or find the profile or settings section in your dashboard. This is where you'll add your display name and other basic details. Choose a display name that represents you or your brand. This is the name your customers will see. You can also add a short bio to tell people what you're all about. With your profile set, your digital storefront is almost open for business. From your main dashboard, you can now start adding your first product, create discount coupons, and get ready to share your unique link with the world. That's all it takes. Your Payhip account is live. The next step is to upload your first product and launch your online business journey today.